Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. And in this video, we're going to show you how to fix a loose toilet. Okay, if you notice that your toilet is rocking back and forth, one of the things you can do to try and tighten things up is to tighten the bolts that are holding the toilet to the floor. Many times you have a plastic cap like this that's covering the bolt. If you grab onto that and pop it off, you'll see you expose what's called a Johnny bolt. And you can take a wrench or a pair of pliers and go ahead and grab that nut and sort of tighten it. And if you notice it's loose, well, then this might do the trick in tightening down that toilet. And you don't want to over crank this, because if you really tighten this down, you run the risk of cracking this china. Once you get it nice and snug and you feel like it's not moving, you kind of try and shake the toilet back and forth, you're good. Put the cap back on, and you're done. And that's it. If you'd like more information, you can always go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find more helpful videos. Better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.